Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cameray and you're watching Cameray Music TV, and I'm here to teach you how to make DIY wedding invitations. That's right, these are rustic style, super affordable, super easy to make. I'm so super duper excited to be teaching you guys how to do this. So if you're ready, get set, let's go. So first, let's take a look at the materials that we'll need. We'll need an envelope of your choice. I chose a brown one to go with the rustic theme. Obviously, you'll need your invitation. So I have my invitation and then response card and my registry card. You also need string or twine. I chose brown to go with the rustic. Some type of sheer overlay, ribbon, or fabric. Doilies, you can get these in bulk on Amazon, guys, so make sure you check on there first before purchasing in any other store. Scissors to cut. And finally, a glue gun. Ta-da! So you'll need glue sticks. You guys make sure you get some of those. They do run out pretty fast. And make sure it's plugged up. So now that you have all your materials, let's get started. So you want to make sure your glue gun is plugged up first so that it gets hot. I know that my surface is my carpet. I know, bad idea. But this is what we have to work with. Oh well. And set it to the side for later. Next, put your invitation evenly spaced on your doily. Center it as best as you can. Let me just adjust mine. And then you're going to fold each side into the middle and crease it. Take your glue gun and put a drop of glue in each corner where you made your initial creases. Be careful not to get the glue through the holes of the doily, which I am probably doing right now onto my carpet. But you can also do a squiggly line like this too. Next, you'll want to put your invitation along that glue. Now, because I'm doing mine backwards, I'm just going to show you guys how I would do it, but I'm not going to put it all the way on there. Next, you'll want to eyeball and see just about how much fabric or ribbon you'll need. There's probably a better way to do this, but this is the way that I'm doing it. I place an amount of fabric onto my invitation, and I kind of eyeball how much I'll need. There's a much neater and better way to do this, and you can do it however you want. But I just place it in here, I pull out some, and I cut along a line here. So essentially I'm wasting fabric. After you do 200 invitations, you just really don't care. But for you, you might be able to figure out a better way and smarter way to do this. And now it's time to cut. Don't get scared. So you're going to want to cut along this line as I pull down and go crooked here. You're going to cut a straight line like this on both sides where the slack is. So remember, you're going to be cutting the doily and the fabric. Y'all don't want to watch me cut. What a mess. Anyway, make sure you cut along the line, and it's okay if you don't get it all. You can go back and cut anything remaining. But you're going to want a straight line so that your invitation looks neat and not a mess like mine. Hopefully you're not crooked like me. You can do better. But anyway, here we are. We got both sides cut off and we are ready to move on to the next step. Now you're going to grab those insert cards. Usually you have a response card and maybe your registry like me. You're going to place those on the inside, centered between the top and the bottom. Now you're going to grab your string or your twine, and once again I'm eyeballing, but you're smarter than me, so you can measure this out so that you don't waste string or twine like I did. Simply place your invitation onto the string evenly and tie a little bow. You can make it, if you have a partner, you can use their finger, but all I had was my 2 hands. So I did the best that I could. So all I'm doing here is making sure my string is evenly across because now I'm going to glue it. Next, take your glue gun and glue 1 small dot on each side across the string onto the doily. Once that invitation is dry, you're ready to go to put it into your envelope. Remember to wait till it's dry though. Close it up, and now you're all done. Only 199 more to go. You did it! You made your very own wedding invitation, DIY style, rustic style. All I'm doing here is going back through the steps very quickly because I actually need one more invitation for my own wedding. So this is real time. This is not a drill. I really need this invitation. So I'm just showing you guys how I actually did it real quick. But make sure you guys subscribe down below to my channel and comment what you thought about this video. I'm going to continue making my invitation here. Like the video, share the video, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Camera Music TV. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!